Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Get ready for a lovely warm toned eye makeup look that's perfect for the fall season. It's practical and easy to do, making it a great choice for anyone looking to refresh their makeup routine. So if you want to achieve this eye makeup look, make sure to watch the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I'm using an orange toned eyeshadow as a base. With a fluffy brush, I apply it all over my eyelid and into the crease using sweeping motions to ensure there are no harsh lines. I gradually add more shadow to make the color appear more vibrant. For this eye makeup look, you can use any eyeshadow palette with similar tones. However, I provide the details of the products used in the description section, so feel free to check it there. Next, using the same brush, I apply brown eyeshadow from this palette to the outer corner of my eyelid. Make sure to extend the shadow well into this area up to the middle of the eyelid. Regarding the brush, I usually use this type of brush for blending in all my videos, which is commonly known as a crease brush. You can use any fluffy brush that you find more comfortable, but make sure there are no harsh lines and that the shadow blends seamlessly. Next, I use a darker brown eyeshadow again on the outer corner of my eyelid to create a warmer tone that reflects the autumn season. I usually love warm toned makeup because I think it suits all eye colors and is very popular. Like in the previous step, I focus on blending the outer corner of my eyelid. You can do this makeup look lighter for a daily look or darker for special occasions. What I love about brown toned makeup is that it blends more easily than black eyeshadow, allowing you to fix any harsh lines effortlessly. I also use a clean brush to refine the middle of my eyelid and the crease area to achieve a cleaner result. Now it's time to work on the lower lash line. I use a small flat brush and the same dark brown eyeshadow. Start applying the shadow from the middle of the lower lash line and extend it towards the outer corner. Just trust the process and follow along step by step with me, as this style will make your eyes look larger. Next, I'm using this stunning golden eyeshadow. I have no words. The harmony of these colors is perfect for this season. Just see how this shimmery gold eyeshadow makes your makeup special and unique. I also apply the shadow in a curved line on my eyelid using a flat small brush, which enhances the overall result. I apply the remaining eyeshadow on my brush to the inner corner of my lower lash line. We've reached my favorite step, the glitter. I'm using brown loose glitter and I apply to the center of my eyelid with a brush. For easier application, it's best to use a damp brush or glitter glue on your eyelid. The eyeshadow application is complete. You can use dark brown or black eyeliner. I usually extend the eyeliner to the middle of my eyelids because it suits my eye shape better. However, you can extend it to the inner corner based on your preference. You can use mascara or false eyelashes to finish up the look. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and share your comments down below, or feel free to share it with your friends. If you're interested in makeup and beauty content, I upload a variety of tutorial videos every week, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. I truly appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.